It is narrated by Zayd bin Arqam and Sheikh Mufid that I was in the court of Ibn Ziyad. The holy head of the Karbala oppressed Imam Hussain passed by me. It was riding on the tip of a spear while I was sitting in my place. When it passed by me he was reciting something. I listened attentively. When I heard that he was reciting the 9th verse of Surah Al-Kahf.
أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا.
I swear to God, I was shocked to see this scene and said in a loud voice that the son of the Prophet, your holy head is more astonishing and miraculous than the companions of the cave. The second incident of recitation from the blessed head of Imam Hussain took place in Haran. On their way from Kufa to Syria, the oppressed caravan reached a place called Haran, on the top of which was the house of a Jew named Yahya Kazai. He came for the reception and started watching the spectacle of the prisoners, and his eyes fell on the blessed head of Hazrat Imam Hussain. He saw that a sound was coming from his blessed lips. When he heard it was Surah Al-Shu'ara verse 227 of the Quran.
وَسَيَعْلَمُ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا أَيَّ مَنْقَلَبُوا يَنْقَلِبُونَ.
Yahya was shocked and upset when he saw this scene. He asked, whose head is this? Of Hussein bin Ali, someone said. The Jew said that if his religion was not true, this miracle would not have appeared to him at all. He said this, recited the Kalma and became a Muslim.
For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.